Now, after the New Day event on Saturday, one of the things that we've been seeing coming from big banks, big financial institutions, they've been coming in and away onto NEO. And I must say, most of them, if not all, they are increasing their price target onto NEO. Those are not changing the sentiment onto NEO. Like you would see, like your Mizuho, they are still having a hold, but they increase the price target onto NEO. All of them, I can say, that they are increasing their price target. Even our the very good institution or big investor that has been very confident on Neo, Citi came, maintained a buy rating, but increased the price target. But before we dig deep into these so many big financial institutions that just came and weigh in onto Neo after the Neo day, please like this video, my dear friends. Please, I ask you, please like this video. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, because it takes me some time to make videos like this. Content takes time, but I've been consistent giving you the content on a daily basis. So please like this video. If you have not subscribed, please do so, because YouTube still tells me that some of you guys are just watching and have not subscribed. So please, when you watch, please also subscribe. Please like. If you can, please also share to your fellow neo investors, because this kind of content is one content that will make us to remain long and strong, regardless of seeing a drawback or a drawdown in terms of the share price. Right now, I don't want to waste more of your time. Let's go back to some of what these big financial institutions just came and weighed onto Neo, or just said onto Neo. Let's start with the Daiwa Securities. Daiwa Securities reiterated a buy rating onto Neo and lifted or increased their price target to $9, which is something that is very, very good, because it shows you that, look, $9 from when you're trading at, it's a very strong upsurge, right? And if we get this, it will be very, very good. I don't want to waste that much time, but of course they also highlight that part of the reason why they increased the price target is because of the strong sales deliveries from the new Envoy L90 and the ES8, right? They increased their forecast in September for NEO for 2025 to 2027, ranging from 13 to 32% increase. 357,000, I think that is the target that they are saying NEO do this year, to 768 in 2027. But again, let us wait, let us see what will most likely happen. Now, our very own, I like this institution, guys, Deutsche Bank. Now, Deutsche Bank also came in after Neo Day and gave a new sentiment, right? Deutsche Bank projects that 15,000 Neo ES8 will be sold on a monthly basis, but expects the volumes to normalize to around 6,000 on a month-to-month amid competition. So they are saying they see 15,000 units in the short term in terms of sales. That is, of course, probably from December. In the short term, they see 15,000 deliveries, but medium to long term, it's going to sell around 6,000 units on a month-to-month. Now, for 2025, Deutsche expects total sales for New York of around 350,000 cars, and they also narrowed the net losses estimate for NEO to 16 billion RMB. This is for 2025, right? To 16 billion RMB from 17.84 billion RMB, which on higher than expected sales of the ES8. Deutsche Bank kept a buy rating and raises its Hong Kong share price target to 82 HKD, right? Which from the 75, which obviously is very, very good, right? I mean, right now the shares of NEO are around what, 52, 53 HKD, and seeing that they are expecting those shares to go to 82 HKD, it's absolutely great, and it shows you the massive potential that they see onto NEO. Now, let's go to another one. This one is also an institution that we love very well, Citi. Citi raised. You know that they've been having a buy rating onto NEO, yeah, for the longest time, right? When most of the other big financial institutions were coming onto NEO and said that, you know what, we are no longer having a buy rating onto NEO, we are having a hold or a sell rating. Citi kept their buy rating because they could see the blue sky that is coming onto NEO. So Citi raised their price target onto NEO and they kept their buy rating. So the new price target of Citi, it's $8.60. You will know that they had $8.10 for quite some time, but now they've adjusted that to $8.60, which is something that is very, very good. And they say this is because of the strong order numbers of the Envo L90 and the ES8, which drives optimism, and the potential growth catalyst includes China's new energy vehicle market surge and improved production rates, which is obviously absolutely great. Additionally, Citi placed the company on a 30-day upside catalyst. Key drivers for potential growth is in NEO stock includes a surge in China new energy vehicle market, higher order volumes, improved margins in the third quarter, and increased production rates. These factors position NEO favorably for future developments, according to, of course, Citi. So Citi, like I said, that is what they're saying, and I must say I'm very, very excited about that. Bank of America, both they came and increased their price target onto NEO, but kept the or maintained the whole rating onto NEO. I mean, you will notice there that they said NEO price target was raised to $7.60 from the $7.10, right? BOFA raised the firm price target to, the company has built 3,500 power swap stations and has set up a power swap network connecting 20 major highways, 16 city clusters, and analysts tell investors this is what Bank of America said, right? So, in summary, those are the big financial institutions that have came in and weighed on to NEO. I think JPMorgan also came and reiterated a buy rating and gave a price target of around $8 onto NEO, which is something that shows you their confidence. So, all in all, many big financial institutions, all of them, they are coming to increase price target onto NEO based off what they are seeing coming from the Envo L90, the NEO ES8. These are the major catalysts that are resulting into these big financial institutions coming and reiterate buy ratings, increasing their price targets onto NEO. But anyways, I don't want to waste a lot of your time. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming, long term will win. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price are going to be rewarded with the time. It takes me some time to make videos like this, and all I ask you once again is to give it a thumbs up, is to subscribe, is to hit that notification bell. I will see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you all.